Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share individual pages with Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to share individual pages with others in Notion. The first thing to do is to sign into Notion, and once you're done, open the page you want to share by navigating to the page you want to share, which is at the left navigation panel. Go ahead and select it in the sidebar or select it from the sidebar, or you can go ahead and create a new page. How do you create a new page? Just go ahead and click on this icon here that says Grammarly. You have to excuse me. So click on this icon that says create a new page. For you to create a new page, or just head over to the sidebar, this left navigation panel, to select an existing page. So right here, I have opened an existing page, which is to do. Now let's get rolling. Once you open the page, go ahead and click on the share button. How do you do that? At the top right of the page, you will see the share button, which is right here. So click on it to open the settings menu. Now we are in the settings menu, and we have two buttons which include share and publish. Of course, we have the invite button. We have this drop down menu, which I'm going to explain right away what it means, and we have copy link, which will allow you to be able to share to web. In this field, all right, this add people field, go ahead and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the page with. You can also type their names if they are already members of your Notion workspace. Now it could be a person or it could be a group. Just go ahead and click on that and mention the person's name. And after doing that, the next thing for you to do is to set the permissions. Now, after entering your emails or names, go ahead and set the permissions right here. So click on this drop down menu. Now you can choose full access, meaning they can edit, share, and manage all permissions on the page. You can choose can edit, meaning they can fully edit the page content. You can choose can comment, meaning they can view and leave comments but not edit the content. And you can choose can view, meaning you're allowing persons to view the page but not make any changes. Whichever one you choose, once you're done with that, go ahead and click on the invite button, and the person will receive the message from the person's email. I'm going all the way back. Now, you have the option to share to web by clicking on this copy link icon or copy link button that is here. Once you do that, the link will be generated, and anyone with the link can access, even if they do not have a Notion account. You can also head over here to this drop down to set more permissions, advanced permissions. So you can invite people only, that's only you and people invited can access. You can invite people, meaning people invited and workspace member with link can access. That's anyone with the link at Amanda Max Notion. You could also choose everyone at Amanda Max Notion, meaning all workspace members can search and access. That is pretty much it. So to remove someone's access or adjust their permission level, go ahead and return to the share menu and click on their name or email and modify or remove them from the list. By following these steps, you can easily share individual pages with specific people in Notion, giving them the right level of access based on their needs. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.